Hi, in this video we're going to take a look how you can have your phone to read aloud when you are touching on a text item on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro or the iPhone 12 Max. So let's take a look. So I'm going to touch on a text item.
The Zoom controller allows quick access to Zoom controls.
So you can see that it will read out the text that I have touched. So now to do so, first you want to go back to your home screen and then tap on settings. In settings, you want to tap on accessibility, and in accessibility you want to tap on zoom. Next, go down and tap on zoom controller, and at the top here you want to tap on the show controller. So make sure that it is switched on. Now once it is switched on, what you can do is by triple tap on the zoom controller, and that will allow you to have your phone to read aloud on the text item that you have touched. So let's say I'm going to this Wikipedia page and I want it to read out this text. So I'm going to triple tap on the zoom controller first. Once it is going to a finger or touch icon, then you touch on the text that you want to have it read aloud.
January 11th, 1934, April 7th, 1967, Wazen.
And then again, if it doesn't read out the whole text, you can just
Australian recipient
tap on it to have it read out again.
of the highest award for gallantry in battle that could be awarded at that time to a member of the.
So I think it kind of like stopped when there is a hyperlink, but let's say with this part here, it can read out quite the whole paragraph.
1952. Posted to South Vietnam in 1966. Badco displayed conspicuous gallant.
Okay, so you can also tap for it to stop. Now, not only that, it can read text on the website, it can also read text on your home screen or other apps as well. So you can see, for example, this one here.
Camera.
You can tap on other things.
Reminders, 4 tasks due today.
And say weather, so we're going to weather.
Now clear. 7 p.m. mostly clear. 11 p.m. mostly clear, 22 degrees.
And that's it. So that's how you can have your phone read aloud on the text item or any item on your phones that can read out the text description of an item for your iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro or iPhone 12 Max. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.